Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can open the private browser in your iOS 15. Okay, so let's open Safari. Okay, so in this page on the bottom right corner of the screen you will see this new tab option. Just tap there. Okay, and here on the bottom of the page you will see start page. Tap there. Now select private. Okay, you are in private browsing mode now. Now tap on this plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, as you can see there's a notification here, private browsing mode, and as you can see the search bar is also turned black, and that's a shortcut also to open new tab. Just long press on the new tab option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, and from here you can open new page. Okay, anyway, let me show you. Okay, we have this page open. To open a new tab, just long press on it and tap on new tab. Okay, you have a new tab here, and if you want to go to normal browsing mode, just long press and go to start page. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can open the private browsing mode in iOS 15. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.